let's get with our pre-market open right now because futures are pointing a good bit higher. Yesterday, the markets were down about 10.5, almost 11 points yesterday as concerns over tax reform and of course, the whole issue of whether or not that might get done by the end of the year came under stress as Marco Rubio said that he's a no vote unless he gets a bigger deal on child tax credits. But this morning, we're seeing a good bit of recovery here as really expectations are that all the senators are going to fold and they're eventually going to vote for this tax bill by the end of next week as the vote's been pushed out. So we're seeing futures rebound on that front. But let's throw it over to Scarlett Ficarra of our Real Investment News Desk and talk about what we got going on this morning.
Yeah, good morning, Lance. Happy Friday. In the market this morning, a barrel of West Texas Intermediate for January delivery was trading at $57.35 a barrel, virtually unchanged for the week. Overnight, the MSCI Asia Pacific Index fell 0.4%, while Japan's Topix Index closed 0.8% lower as worries about the U.S. tax bill's passage weighed on the global markets, as you just said, Lance. In Europe, the Stoxx 600 index was 0.4% lower at 5:50 a.m. Eastern Time, with lenders giving up yesterday's gains. S&P 500 futures added 0.1%. The 10-year Treasury yield was at 2.362%, and gold is slightly higher. JP Morgan quant guru Marko Kolanovic, who predicts that a successful GOP tax bill will give equities a huge shot in the arm in 2018, has some really big hopes. The firm has a 2018 year-end price target of 3,000 for the S&P 500, which ties it with Oppenheimer as the most bullish on Wall Street. XRP, founded by Ripple, has overtaken Bitcoin Cash as the third largest digital currency by market cap. Ripple's XRP cryptocurrency has seen a tremendous gain of 78.2% over the past 24 hours for all you cryptocurrency gurus out there, propelling it to a market cap of $32.29, or I'm sorry, 32.09 billion, 029 billion. According, that was way off.
Yeah, you're working up at $32.
Yeah,
I can afford that.
I know. I thought I had to think about it for a second. Sorry. According to CoinMarketCap, of course, it just trails Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Well, here's the thing: is that I still don't figure out how you calculate a market capitalization rate when you have no value underneath it.
Listen, I know, but the thing is that cryptocurrency right now, Lance, whether we want it to be or not, is all the rage, and everybody right now is all about it.
And that's why it's a bubble when everybody is. When you listen, there's an old saying that the time to sell is when you're starting getting tips from basically stock boys and taxi drivers, and literally when I go anywhere, somebody asked me about Bitcoin. Yesterday, I'm in the doctor's office having a nerve test. I'm still trying to solve this issue with my nerve in my neck. And the doctor, while working on me, is asking me about Bitcoin.
Well,
at that point, I realized that we're in trouble.
Well, I guess, but at the same time, we've got, a lot of people I think are calling and emailing about Bitcoin. We had Richard Rosso, one of our other financial advisors, talk about it yesterday. We've got that on our website, realinvestmentnews.com, as well as our Facebook and Twitter pages. We're going to have that up. And then, of course, we're going to be talking about it with another specialist in the upcoming week. We'll announce that to you guys. I know that we're tired of hearing about it, but at the same time, there's a lot of developments and new cryptocurrencies are rising up.
It's the new thing.